Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Go Boom. Go Boom is a point trick card game, so if you're able to play at least one point trick or trick taking card game, then then Go Boom is easier to understand. So yeah. The game is using a regular deck 52 cards from 2 twists without jokers. The rank of cards is a classic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. The amount of players is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. The objective is getting the lowest amount of points. Each player gets 7 cards with 1 card at a time. And the remaining deck is placed in the center. So yeah. Then the deal ends and the gameplay begins. Starting with the leftmost player sitting near the dealer, each turn is putting 1 card face up into the middle spot. So yeah. All of the opponents must follow the suit or the rank. And so if if player is not having those cards, then they must get cards from the remaining deck until getting at least one correct card. So yeah, or skip their turn if in case of the remaining deck running out of cards. So yeah. The owner of the highest card in the leading suit gets a trick and puts the next card. The round, along with the gameplay, ends after one player getting rid of all their cards and announcing boom. So then the scoring begins. The value of cards in points. Aces are giving 1 point, which is the lowest amount. Cards from 2 to 10 are giving their face value as points. For example, 2 gives 2 points, 3 gives 3 points, and so on until 10. Jacks, queens, and kings are giving 10 points, which is the highest amount, tied with tens. So yeah. So each players are getting those points for each card left after the gameplay. After basically, and so after recording every point, the scoring ends and the next round begins with the deal. The game goes until one player getting at least 100 points. 100 points. Then the owner of the lowest amount of points wins, while each opponent of that player, that owner loses. So yeah. Right, I told you everything about this game. I hope you enjoyed the next video. Hope you now know how to play Go Boom. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.